Monoprice has been very active recently, releasing a lot of speakers, subwoofers. So just recently this year, they've been on fire, which they normally haven't been into. They've not been very known for making or releasing a lot of products or producing a lot of stuff in a year. So this is the first time they're releasing multiple stuff in a year, and they've just released another subwoofer now, and they released two new subwoofers that can be mounted on their on-wall subwoofers for custom installers and people that just want to mount the subwoofers on the wall and seal it off without any issue. The first is their M-IWSUB8, the second is their M-IWSUB82 subwoofers. So what makes this subwoofer different is that they are designed for wall installation. That makes space. If you don't like to have boxes on the ground, like a subwoofer box on the ground, it makes your space look neat, because when you have a subwoofer in the wall, everything will be sealed off. You wouldn't have any need to start moving boxes if they don't fit what you want. So mounting stuff on the wall is really decent for people that want clean presentation in their home. So I respect that. The first one, which is the M-IWSUB8, it's coming with a single 8-inch driver made out of polymer cone with a rubber surrounding. It goes down to 36 hertz. 36 hertz goes up to 200 hertz. It's a decent subwoofer. It has a sensitivity of 91 decibels, so it's good for what it is. The sub has a crossover frequency of 120 hertz at 12 dB. It also has an impedance of 4 ohms. It doesn't weigh much. It really doesn't weigh much, and it's definitely good enough for walls that reside in apartments. So if you're in an apartment and you don't need boxes on the ground, subwoofer boxes on the ground, this is the subwoofer for you. The next one, which is the M-IWSUB82, this one comes with a dual 8-inch in-wall subwoofer. So just think of the original, the other IWSUB8 that only came with one driver, one 8-inch driver. This one is gonna have two 8-inch driver in it. So it still goes down to 36 hertz, goes up to 20 hertz. It has a 91 decibel sensitivity. It's still gonna come with the 4 ohm impedance. It's easy to install without any issue whatsoever. It's definitely going to work very well for any home theater setup, because this one is definitely much more powerful than the other one. There is also a subwoofer amplifier that will be coming along with it, that if you want to buy it, so that you can control the sub with ease, basically. So to use this subwoofer, you need to connect an external sub amplifier. So that is the thing. So the model that the model number for the new amp is the SWA400. Now this is about 400 watts of output that it can deliver for the subwoofer, and it's just priced at $310 on Monoprice. So that is the thing. Now, as for the availability and the pricing of the subwoofers, the M-IWSUB8 will be priced at $400. The M-IWSUB82 will be priced at $600. So all the details that you need for them will be in the description if you want to check it out. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.